The best hairstyles to have when not using any hair products. So I don't really know why someone would not want to use any hair products, because they are very, very helpful. They come in handy for doing a number of things. But if you're totally against using any sort of hair products and you feel your hair's gonna fall out because you put some sort of paste in it, well, I'm gonna go over a number of haircuts that will still look pretty good without product. Now, the one thing that you need to understand, and I say this all the time, is that you have to have the right hair texture. Because if you have really frizzy hair, super curly hair, dry, coarse, whatever hair that's not really silky smooth, if you don't use any product in it, it's just gonna look like a complete mess. It's gonna look like hay or a rat's nest. I mean, I've seen it a million times. That's why I use product. You have to keep that into consideration, that if you have really good textured hair, it's healthy, it's silky, it's smooth, it's got its natural shine, you'll be in much better shape. So let's start with one haircut here, and I have a whole bunch of mannequin heads that I want to go over and for this tutorial here. So here we have something that is a somewhat traditional, kind of short, tapered throughout the sides, the back, and the top here. Now, you don't necessarily need any product because this is the haircut, right? If you're okay with it looking a little bit like this, a little kind of messy, and you can run your fingers through it, you can brush it back, you can bring it forward, something like this actually does work well. You're kind of limited, unfortunately, to how you can make it look, but here is a, kind of cropped haircut, I think that works okay without having to use any product. The next one is this kind of haircut right here, right? So anything that has a little bit of a fringe to it that just kind of hangs down lightly like this, or you've got a side part or something, and this works really well if you've got straight hair. The hair could be fine, it could be thick, but as long as the hair just naturally wants to have some movement to it, you can rock a hairstyle like this. And I've seen many guys with their hair like this it looks to me like there's nothing in it, at the gym or just running around or wherever it is, walking around. I could tell that it's just a natural flow. So anything with a little bit of a fringe here with some layers on top where you can kind of brush the hair back, and if it does fall in the face, it's still gonna look pretty decent. Of course, it depends on the haircut, but this is another example. All right, next up, we have the good old-fashioned undercut right here. So obviously the undercut is gonna look good because it's an undercut, right? It takes away a lot of the hair under here, it moves a lot of weight. And if you have some texture to your hair and you let your hair air dry and it's in good shape, it's got a natural nice wave to it, doesn't get really frizzy, then this is another great option, especially if you let it air dry. Or what you could do is you could slick the hair back with water, right? Just with water, and then let it air dry, and it should dry relatively nicely. And then you can style it however you want. The key is that you don't want to mess around with the hair too much if you have some sort of texture or wave to it, because the minute you start trying to blow dry it or do something to it, or try to rough dry it with a towel, it's going to make a mess. You could also put this in kind of a ponytail or a little bit of a man bun or top knot, whatever it is. So these types of hairstyles work well. Obviously, the top needs to be long enough. This goes all the way down to the lip here. So please make sure that the hair is long enough. But you can also do this with a shorter undercut, all right, like this. The next one is our favorite green-haired mannequin, Joker mannequin, who I don't think I'm not gonna ever get rid of this because I'm getting so much use out of this thing, is, if you have really, really silky, straight, perfect hair texture, it could be fine, could be medium texture, density, it could be thick, and the hair just wants to fall and flow on its own. Your hair always looks healthy like this. It always looks shiny. A lot of blondes look like this, or people with brown hair, Asians, if you've got really, really naturally silky, nice hair, anything will pretty much work. But if you don't want to use any hair product and you want the hair just to lay natural, then you can't go wrong with some sort of, either it's a mushroom cut or again, an undercut or the traditional kind of Leo DiCaprio Titanic haircut. All right, what else do we have? We have another one. Now we're getting a little bit longer. Whoop, we're getting a little bit longer with the hairstyle. So This can get messy really quickly, but it could also be very, very tamed as long as the haircut is layered properly. All right, if the haircut is not cut right and it's uneven, or if it's all chopped up, it's not going to be flattering. So you can get away with a hairstyle like this with no product. So as you can see through here, the haircut is doing most of the work, and that's why I'm able to just run my fingers to it. And if you have hair texture and a good haircut, you'll be good to go without any product. And then lastly, this is, somewhat of like, a mullet or somewhat of an 80s kind of look. This doesn't require much product either because the haircut is speaking for itself. It's a fashion statement. It's something that if it comes down in the face like this, you have a light little fringe, or if you want to brush it all back, or if you want to bring it all forward and make it a heavy fringe like this. But regardless, this type of haircut really does work well. If you want some hold, this is where you throw in some hairspray. Like my hairspray Locked is like a very light holding hairspray. It's great for just adding a little bit of texture. But if you want something like this and you want hold, you have to hairspray it. If not, you can brush your fingers to it and it'll lay down naturally. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Again, it really comes down to the hair texture, your hair type, and products aren't necessarily a bad thing. So for people who are afraid to use products, I don't know why you wouldn't want to use anything. But if you need to only use water, or you don't want to blow dry your hair, again, it comes down to just setting it up for success. And that's pretty much it. So stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.